What is corporate tax? Corporate tax, also known as corporate income tax or business profits tax, is a direct tax applied to the taxable income of corporations and other businesses. In the UAE, corporate tax encompasses a broad scope, levied on various types of business profits and applicable to a range of entities beyond traditional companies. Those subject to corporate tax include companies, certain types of partnerships, unincorporated entities, and, in specific cases, natural persons who are involved in business activities. Taxable entities and scope. Corporate tax applies to 1. Companies, traditional corporate entities engaged in business activities. 2. Partnerships and unincorporated entities, certain partnerships and other forms of unincorporated businesses conducting business activities. 3. Natural persons, in cases where individuals engage in business activities or business-related transactions, they may also be subject to corporate tax. This tax is charged annually, based on the profits generated within a specified period, known as the tax period. Understanding the tax period. The tax period is essentially the financial year or any part of it, for which a business or entity must file a tax return. The financial year typically spans 12 months and serves as the basis for preparing financial statements. For most businesses, the financial year aligns with the calendar year, though it can vary according to individual corporate structures or accounting practices. For corporate tax purposes, the UAE's corporate tax regime applies to tax periods starting on or after 1 June 2023. Filing and payment requirements. Corporate tax obligations include 1. Filing of tax returns. Tax returns must be prepared and filed in line with the end of the financial year or tax period. 2. Payment timeline. Payment of corporate tax is due within 9 months from the end of the applicable tax period. This means that if a business's tax period concludes on 31 December 2023, the corporate tax payment would be due by 30 September 2024. Key takeaways. Corporate tax is a direct tax imposed on the taxable income of corporations, partnerships, and specific natural persons conducting business. The tax is filed and paid on an annual basis, with the tax period aligning with the business's financial year. Payment of corporate tax in the UAE is due within 9 months of the tax period's end, with the regime applying 2 periods commencing on or after 1 June 2023.